So guys, welcome back to another Make Money Online tutorial step-by-step edition. And in today's video, I want to quickly show you how you can take advantage of Canva. If you don't know, Canva happens to be a graphical design tool that you can use to design literally anything at all, ranging from thumbnail, infographic, videos, stories, even reels. You can even do coupons and Instagram posts, Facebook posts, and so on and so forth. So how can you actually now take advantage of Canva, and how can you make money online with Canva? If you're that person that's struggling to make money online and you don't actually know how to get started, Canva is another tool, or it's another graphical design tool that you can master and make money online with it. It's very simple because Canva actually has already made template that you can take advantage of. As you can see here at this corner, it has template, and you can take advantage of this template to make thousands of dollars for yourself online. So without wasting much of our time, guys, I'll quickly show you how this thing works, how to take advantage of Canva, and how to start making money online with Canva. And you can make thousands of dollars. You can make somewhere around $1,000, $2,000 monthly by simply utilizing Canva as a means of making money online. So Canva will not actually pay you the money directly, but it will actually help you make this money indirectly, and that's what I want to show you in this tutorial video for today. So without wasting much of our time, let me quickly take you over on some of the features of Canva that you need to know, or you need to put in place, or you need to put into consideration in order to help you make this money online. If you want to start creating a design, you quickly come over down to this section here that says create a design. If you hit on create a design, you see that you have YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, you can make videos with it, you can make Facebook posts with it, you can make logo with it, you can make Facebook cover with it, you can even do presentation, you can do flyers, you can do posts, you can do resume, you can do Instagram story, and you can do infographic, A4 document, you can do coupons, and you can even do your own story. So these are all of the advantages that Canva gives you as someone who wants to make money online. And this graphical design tool is absolutely free and 100% free to use. So without wasting much of our time now, let me quickly take you over to a website that can actually make you this money, and you can take advantage of Canva to make this money over at this website without wasting much time. So if you quickly come over now and open up a new tab on Google Chrome, then you hit on Fiverr. I know you say, hey Daniel, you are taking us to Fiverr again, but don't worry, I know the reason why I'm taking you over to Fiverr. So if you come over now to Fiverr, Fiverr happens to be a freelance place where you sell what is called talent, okay? And before you can actually sell your talent here on Fiverr and make money from it, you need to acquire what is called a digital skill. And digital skill are all of these things you can find here on Canva, like YouTube banner design. It's a digital skill. You need to acquire the skill before you can know how to design a YouTube banner. YouTube thumbnails, you have to learn how to design YouTube thumbnails. It's a digital skill you need to acquire as well before you can start making money from it. Facebook posts, logo. People are making thousands of dollars designing logo on a monthly basis. You can design logo for big brands. You can design logo for companies. You can design logo for your own personal business. You can design logo for friends. You can design logo practically for anybody who needs logo. I design logo for so many people. I design logo for most of my businesses and most of my online platform. I personally design logo for it by simply utilizing Canva. So the one I'll be focusing mostly on today is actually, YouTube thumbnail, photos, Facebook posts, YouTube banner, and maybe Facebook cover, depending on the one we can actually cover in our today's tutorial video. So if you come over now to Fiverr, where you sell what is called talent, which happens to be your digital skill, it can be web design, it could be WordPress design, it could be logo design. As you can see, as clearly stated, logo design. People are making money with logo design. And if you come over now to Canva, you find the section that says logo. You can actually design a logo with Canva with their already made template. So if you quickly open up now logo design on Canva, then it's going to bring you over to a blank space where you can start designing a logo. And as you can see here on their template section, they already have made logos that you can actually redesign. As you can see, they have logo templates that you can take advantage of and redesign it. Okay, let's say you want to redesign this logo now. This is a very nice logo, handmade, handover, whatever, and style. This one I think is on fashion. And you can even search on the type of logo you want to make use of. Okay, let's say you want to design a logo for a barber shop. Let's say you can quickly come and say barbershop logos. Then you quickly hit on barbershop logos. Then as you can see, it's loading up. It's going to show us a lot of templates that we can actually use to redesign a barbershop logo. So as you can see, these are all of nice designs that you can actually use to, design a barbershop logo, already made template. Take a look at this one. Take a look at this one right here. Take a look at this one right here. This one barbershop. Then we can open up this one. As you can see, Adriana and Partners barbershop, established 1989. So this is a very nice logo design for a barbershop, and it even have a clipper image on it. You can even do anything you want. You can change maybe the clipper image. You can redesign the name. If it's your own personal barbershop, you can redesign the date it was established. So this is barbershop and it's clearly stated. So you can take advantage of this to make money for yourself, be it with your friends or even on Fiverr that I will show you. So this is logo design I want to talk about first now. Then if you come over now to Fiverr and hit on logo design, let's see how much people are already making from logo design on Fiverr. Then we'll move on further, okay? So as you can see, people are charging around $20 to $25 to $55, even down to $160 for practically designing logo for clients. And if you are to open up any of this gig now, okay, if I'm to open up this person's gig now, Pro Studio is actually a logo designer that have designed a lot of logos already in time past. As you can see, this guy have completed 442 logos. Okay, let's say the clients here are charging $20 per logo. So let me quickly bring up my calculator so that I will know how much this person have earned so far by simply designing logo for people. So let's say 444 multiplied by $20, 442. Okay, 442 multiplied by $20, this person have earned so far. That's $8,840 that this person have made from logo design alone, and he equally have 7 others in queue. That's it, that people are really paying money heavily to design logo. And you can see these are simple logos that we can actually do with Canva. So if you come over now to, okay, let's say take a look at something like this or something like this, we can do that on Canva as well. It's similar to something like this, and this is a nice template that we got completely for free on Canva. So as you can see now, people are doing this thing here on Fiverr and they're making money designing logos. These are unique logo templates that you can find on Canva and take advantage of it and start making money with it. So how can you now actually do this thing and make money with Canva by simply designing logo for people? It's very simple. You need to join Canva and design what is called a gig. So if you come over now to my YouTube channel, hey guys, my name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is I teach you how to make money online completely for free. I share with you tips and strategies that can actually help you make money online from any part of the world. Learning a digital skill down to content creation, video content creation, and so on and so forth. I can teach you various means and methods to actually make money online. And what I'm talking about today in our today's tutorial video is actually how to make money online with Canva. And the first one we are covering is actually Canva logo design. You can actually get free logo templates to design here on Canva and make money with it. Okay, let's equally check out this other logo design barbershop established so year 2021. So this is something we can redesign and sell it out to customers on Fiverr. So what actually happens is you design a gig on Fiverr and then you publish it on Fiverr. Fiverr will start pushing it out to you. There are a lot of clients here on Fiverr that want the service of a logo design and they'll pay you heavily for it. So all you just have to do now is to hit on join and create an account, which I have a video already on how to do that. After you sign up and create an account with Fiverr, you can do that with your Google, you can do that with your Apple ID, or you can manually input your email address and follow the necessary step. You can even do it with your Facebook account. Then after doing that, you need to create something called a gig. All of this thing you are seeing here now that is displaying as I quickly search on logo design, that's the thing that I'm looking. Let's say I want to purchase logo design services. Fiverr choice, service that people loved for superb work and delivery. So these are people that are already rated highly on Fiverr and they're making quick, as you can see, they have gotten nice star ratings. So after you might have signed up, you need to create something called a gig, and your gig should be under logo design. So if you don't know how to create a gig, you can do more research on how to create a gig or on logo design, or you can quickly come over to my channel and search real way to create a Fiverr gig Daniel Anthony. Then you hit on search. As you can see, this is the video you need to watch, real way to create a gig on Fiverr, step-by-step guide. So this video will actually guide you through the processes of creating a Fiverr gig step by step. As you can see, the video is 33 minutes long. That's it, that it's a highly detailed and informative video that can actually guide you through the basic steps of creating a Fiverr gig. So after creating your own gig on Fiverr now, you give it some time to start ranking on Fiverr gig. As soon as you start ranking on Fiverr gig, you need to, run your SEO very well. You need to set up your SEO very well. As you can see, this person have created his gig detailedly. So you can actually go through this person's gig and master how he actually created his gig and, emulate his gig strategy and create your own gig as well. And as soon as you start getting, orders, as soon as people start ordering your services, that's how I start designing logo for them by simply taking advantage of Canva and start making money on Fiverr. And another thing again you need to put into consideration, which I think will be the last one I'll talk about in our today's tutorial video, is actually YouTube thumbnails. People are making cool cash by designing YouTube thumbnails. And let me show you something quickly. If you take a look at this thumbnail right you are seeing right here, I actually designed it with Canva. If you come over now to my channel, as you can see, this is the thumbnail, Add Me Fast and Fiverr. And as you can see here, I use it for my video. This one as well, this one as well, this one you are seeing right here. All of this thumbnail, I designed all of them with Canva. So if you check now, you see this one $100 will prove, smart income idea, Google $25, copywriter and copywriting. And all of the video you are seeing right here, all of the thumbnail you are seeing right here, I actually did their design with Canva. That's to tell you that you can actually design YouTube thumbnail by simply taking advantage of Canva. And Canva is free to use, like I said. So if you come over now to create design, you're going to find the YouTube thumbnail section and quickly hit on it. Then you can quickly come over to the upload section and maybe upload any image you want to make use of. But I myself have already uploaded some images that I can just, maybe drag and drop in here right away. Okay, let's say I want to make use of this image now for my thumbnail design. I can just drag it to size, then come over to the test section. As you can see, they have already made test template I can equally pick from. Like this one, you can just drag and drop it in here. Then, you can rewrite anything you want to do. You can just say, okay, let's say make money online thumbnail design you want to do. You can say $100 daily. Then we can, adjust it. One thing about Canva is that it's very easy to use. Like, I love this thing and it is free. You can even change the text type. Like here, you can change the text type to something different or anything you wish at all. So as you can see, it's changing. Then you can even change the text color. Let's say you want to change the text color to black or to red or to purple or to blue or to orange, or let's leave it at black. Okay, as you can see now, we have gotten a nice YouTube thumbnail. We can resize it. We can add any element. Okay, let's go back to upload. We can get any logo at all. Let's say YouTube. We can drag and drop YouTube logo right in here. Let's say the title of the video is how to make $100 on YouTube per day, or how to make $100 on YouTube per month. Then we can just drag and drop it here. This is my image. As you can see, this is a nice thumbnail that I've gotten. I can get a more unique image and use it right in here. I can actually make money with this thing on Fiverr as well. Because if you come over now to Fiverr, and okay, let's go back to the Fiverr homepage. Then I hit on thumbnail design. Okay, thumbnail YouTube. Then I quickly open on it. Then you can see people that are offering the services. This one is charging $10. I will design eye-catchy YouTube gaming thumbnails for you, $10. I will design attractive YouTube thumbnail for you, $10. I will design stylish and modern YouTube thumbnail for you for $15. So this is how people are actually doing it. And one amazing thing about Canva when it comes to thumbnail design, you don't even have to do the design manually by yourself. You can actually come over to the template section. Okay, let's go back to design. As you can see, these are all templates that you can actually utilize. If you want a more unique design, you can quickly pick up this template. So as you can see, this is a template, and this template is kind of showing forest chart. You can change this image to any image you wish. Okay, I can quickly pick up any other image right here. Now, let's say I want to make use of this image right here. I can drag it to size and make it fit in properly. So as you can see, I can write in anything I want to write in here. I can change the text, and then you hit on share. This is how you actually save it out as an image or as a fully designed thumbnail. You hit on download. Okay, as you can see, it's loading up right now. It's downloading. Then I'm just quickly going to hit on save. As you can see, our thumbnail have been saved. So it's very easy to actually do a unique design. As you can see, now I've quickly designed 2 YouTube thumbnails with Canva. So you can actually sell out the service of YouTube thumbnail design on Canva and make cool cash from it. Take a look at how people are doing it and they're making money from it. Okay, let's take a look at this person charging. Okay, this one say 2x YouTube thumbnail. I will design attractive YouTube thumbnails for you. And she's charging $10. She have already gotten, I think, 5-star rating. And she have completed 221 designs already, having 3 designs order in queue. Okay, she's charging $10 per design, right? Let me quickly bring out my calculator as well so that we can do a little math and know how much she might have earned so far by simply designing YouTube thumbnail for people. Okay, let's say 221 multiplied by 10 is equal to $2,210. That's what you have earned so far by simply designing YouTube thumbnail for people. And this is something you can do with Canva. I just showed you how to do it on Canva. Take a look at this design and come back to this one we've done on Canva. As you can see, I only change my image. I can change the write-up and leave the template the way it is. So all you just have to do is to start taking advantage of Fiverr, and you can start making money from thumbnail design. I've already shown you a video you need to watch in order to create what is called Fiverr gig. This profile you are seeing right here that is displaying on Fiverr for you to quickly click on. Let's say you want to order her service for thumbnail design is actually called a gig, and I've already shown you a video that you need to watch in order to design an astonishing Fiverr gig. As you can see, a real way to create a gig on Fiverr. So you need to watch this video. I'll be dropping the video link in this video description below so that you can take advantage of the design and start making money right away from it. So do not forget, guys, you can actually do logo design and you can do thumbnail design by simply taking advantage of Canva. These are the astonishing ways, or these are the mind-blowing ways that you can actually implement to make money on Canva. And there are a lot of things you can actually do on Canva. It's not only thumbnail or logo design. You can do YouTube banner, you can do Facebook posts, you can do flyers, you can do posters, you can do Instagram stories, you can do a lot of things for clients and make money with it. So your friends might need your service as well. People on Fiverr can need your service as well, and so on and so forth. You can market yourself as well on other social media platforms. So to prove to you that people are doing this thing and they are reaching out to clients, you don't just only have to depend on Fiverr to actually sell. You can even take your service down to maybe YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel, start up a YouTube channel on logo design, and people will start ordering you. To prove to you that people are doing this as well, you can even take advantage of LinkedIn. People are selling their skill on LinkedIn. I got a message on LinkedIn that was yesterday, and this guy right here actually messaged me on LinkedIn. As you can see, his name Mohammed Awis. He said, "Hey Daniel, I came across your profile on LinkedIn and I was really impressed by your content about online money making. As a thumbnail designer, I specialize in creating eye-catchy thumbnails that can help increase click-through rates and engagement on videos. I would love to offer my service to help you create thumbnails for your videos. I will work with you to design thumbnails that will grab viewers' attention. Check out my work." And he have uploaded his work on Behance. I've actually talked about Behance. As you can see, thumbnail design, www.behance.net/gallery/YouTube thumbnail design. So you can take advantage of Behance as well. So I've done tutorial about Behance before. You can actually set up an account on Behance and start uploading your work over there on Behance. Okay, you can be redirecting people back to Behance where they can check out your work and they'll be convinced enough to hire you. So people are taking advantage of LinkedIn as well to make money with YouTube thumbnail design. And all you just need is Canva, and Canva is free to use. So if you're that person that don't have money to actually get started, Canva is a nice option for you. So look at what the guy said again further. He said, "Thank you for your time and consideration. If you're interested in discussing further, please let me know. Thank you for your time and consideration. Best regard, Mohammed Awis." And even send me a sample of a YouTube thumbnail that he actually designed. Then I came and said, "Thank you, but I already have a designer." Yes, I used to have a designer that actually designed all of my YouTube thumbnails for me. That was when I was getting started on YouTube, until I found Canva and I started using Canva for my YouTube thumbnail design. And up to now, I don't pay any designer any money to design my YouTube thumbnail for me. I showed you proof that I actually designed my own YouTube thumbnail with Canva. All of these thumbnail design, you can find them on Canva as well, on my Canva homepage design. This is to actually show the designs I done with Canva, and as you can see, these are all of my YouTube thumbnails, and I did them all with Canva. So guys, I believe this way I just have to quickly wrap up the video. If you are new here on my platform, please hit on the subscribe button. If you have been watching my video and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell notification icon, and hit on all, so that you always get notified whenever I publish a brand new Make Money Online tutorial video. Please like the video, drop your comments if there's anything you want me to talk more about on making money online with Canva. Until we meet again, guys, I just have to say I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace.